Okay, here I have all the pieces for blast off. I really like all the limbs for unique toys, except this one. I don't like it too much. I tried to customize it, but the color is not accurate. I think I'm going to do it again. Um, but I think in general that all the unique toys limbs are a lot better than Sita limbs. I think Sita, Swindle, or Blastoff, or Vortex, any of them, bro, all of them are not so show accurate. So I really prefer it since the beginning. The unique toys. I was expecting that unique toys are going to be the same size as my Tour War Devastator, but regrettably I saw that it was shorter and the middle piece onslaught was not so good. It was terrible for me, and I like it a lot, the onslaught from Cedar Toys, but the other guys were horrible. So that's why I created this set. The first piece I'm going to plug is this piece that I'm going to be the adapter to use it or to connect it to onslaught. So this piece is going to be connected this way. It has has a different, a bigger pin here. So I'm going to connect it this way, and that's it. The other piece are the hands adapters that are two. I'm going to bring the hand for blast off. This is the hand. The only thing you have to do is plug it here this way. So that's the way you have to plug it, and then you have to connect the cover, and that's it. Then you have to connect this two ports in here, two X in these two ports. I think the connectors here are this way. Yeah, that's the way to connect it. I don't know if you can see it. Give me 1 second, please. It's very hard to do it with the camera in the middle. I think that's it. Okay, ready to go. You have the whole hand connected. As you can see, all the plastics are only 3D printed, and I didn't paint it at all. So I am using light blue here because I didn't have this color, gray or dark gray. Thank you. Bye.